Please watch to the end. Comment and respond to other people's comments.
Now to a violent road rage incident where one man was shot in the head.
Tonight, that man is hospitalized in critical condition. The scene unfolding at about 3 this afternoon near the intersection of Joy Road and Schaefer.
Tonight, 7 News Detroit reporter Brett Cass talks with police and people in that area, taking us through what happened on Detroit's west side.
I'm Brett Cast on Detroit's west side, where a road rage shooting at Schaefer and Joy Road has led to a man being in critical condition after being shot in the head. We've learned from our sources that the suspect, 30 years old, has turned himself into Detroit police here at the 2nd Precinct, and what led him to pull the trigger is still unknown. In the midst of rush hour to well into the evening, Joy Road near Schaefer remained shut down as police investigated a case of road rage.
And the moment this happened, I was working. I just hear like one shot.
Marco Stuban was working in a collision shop nearby.
I hear the shot and come out with the body already in the street. I don't know how it happened,
According to police, the shooting is a case of alleged road rage. Sources tell us the man in this red Toyota Camry got out of his car to confront another driver. A few seconds later, that other driver shot him in the head. A gun was found near the Camry, and police were seen swabbing it for evidence.
It's going to be a dark gray Chevy Equinox, last seen going northbound.
The shooter then fled the scene in a Chevy Equinox, but soon after turned himself into police.
Show us at the precinct. I'm at 2nd Precinct.
Police stayed late into the evening collecting more evidence, and animal control removed a dog from the car. Witnesses saw the victim lying on the ground, and police say he was taken to the hospital and at last check remained in critical condition.
Live at 5, he joins us now with the very latest. Brandon, what have you learned?
Yeah, Roop, Taryn, let's start with the information that we've just gotten in the last 30 minutes from Detroit police. That suspected shooter turned himself in, so he is now in custody. We'll show you what's happening here at the intersection of Joy and Schaefer. Crime scene investigators over on the left have shown up here. They've been gathering evidence. Now, on the other side of where you see those investigators is a red car. That red car has been here since we have gotten here, and police have shut down this intersection of Joy and Schaefer since really around 3 o'clock when this shooting happened. What we know is that the road rage shooting happened earlier this afternoon during daylight hours. They say one person was shot in the head. That person is now in critical condition. The suspected shooter is now in police custody.